Welcome to the Chromperfect User Training and Technical Support channel, your destination for free Chromperfect support 24 hours a day. Today, we are looking at a common error caused by incorrect network configuration. In this short Chromperfect video, we'll look at one of the most common causes of connection errors, when the GC and the computer are not on the same network. This issue can cause Chromperfect data acquisition to crash or display messages such as "No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it," or "The write operation failed, see inner exception." Every instrument and computer communicates using an IP address, a unique set of 4 numbers separated by dots. On screen you can see the structure. The first 3 sets of numbers within the white box must be the same on both devices, and the remaining number, which is shown in the blue box, must be different on both devices. For example, 192.168.1.100 and 192.168.1.151 are on the same network and can communicate, but 192.168.1.100 and 192.168.2.151 are on different networks and cannot communicate. To check the IP address of your computer, open a command prompt and type ipconfig. That's spelled ipconfig. Look for the line that says IPv4 address. To ensure that both devices, the computer and the instrument, are on the same network, we need to compare the addresses shown in ipconfig and the IP configured for your GC inside the Chromperfect configuration utility. Both should share the same first 3 number groups, with only the last 3 digits being different. In Chromperfect, the instrument's IP address is entered in the configuration program under the instrument setup page. Note that each instrument setup is different, and some require just the instrument's IP, where others also require the computer's IP, displayed as common device properties. Regardless, the same check should be made that the instrument and computer are on the same network by comparing the IP addresses. If the IP does not match your computer's network, Chromperfect will be unable to connect, and an error message like the one shown earlier will appear. Another important point to mention here: using Chromperfect's configuration program to change the IP settings of your instrument only makes changes within the software and not the instrument. If you make changes within Chromperfect, you will also need to update the communication settings manually using the instrument's configuration, normally accessed through the front panel. After making changes to IP addresses, it is always good practice to reboot your computer and to power cycle the instrument by powering it down for 30 seconds. This ensures all old settings are replaced. This issue mainly affects Chromperfect's native Ethernet drivers. For ICF instruments such as Agilent 8890 or a Shimadzu 2030, the configurator will normally refuse the connection if the instrument IP address is not on the same network as the computer, so the problem is detected before acquisition begins. Fixing the problem. To resolve this issue, update either your GC or your computer so both share the same network range, for example, both starting with 192.168.1. This adjustment is normally made by your local IT team. Once corrected, Chromperfect should connect and run without further errors. However, as we have already discussed, if you still experience problems, first restart the computer and power cycle the instrument to ensure the old settings are updated. Final note on networking. This video focused on a very specific issue caused by incorrect network configuration. If you experience similar problems, even when your IP addresses appear to be on the same network, it's worth checking a few other possibilities. There are a couple of common causes shown on screen now. You can find more troubleshooting videos on our YouTube channel, covering a range of Chromperfect networking and configuration topics. Or, for tailored help, visit our website and chat directly with our support assistant, AI chatbot Dave, who can guide you through further diagnostic steps. If you see these connection errors, don't worry. They simply mean the GC and the computer are on different networks. Make sure the first 3 sections of the IP address match, and Chromperfect will be able to communicate again. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Chromperfect YouTube channel for more training videos and updates.